guys, we're in Chanthaburi. We're at this blue temple. I have to find out what its actual name is, and because we didn't plan on coming here. It's was a surprise thing for us. So check that out. That's beautiful. Eating area here, shade. You want to get a drink. A lot of people here. We just gotta go check in now. Make sure we haven't got COVID. A lot of people here. They burn a lot of incense, if you can smell it. They have shirts and everything here, really nice. Okay, the name of this temple is called Wat Paknam Khaem. There you go. The Blue Temple.
Wat Paknam Khaem.
There's another place I've come to now. It's I can't see any Westerners here. There's a horse over there. And you've got all the money hanging down here. Have the wife and family members doing merit here. Entry fee is free here. There's no money. It's all free. And there's plenty of things you can buy here. Souvenirs, got refreshments, food. A lot of people here. All different groups. You can see they've got the different colour shirts on. People don't seem to mind that I'm filming them. My battery's running low. I'll stop it here for a bit. Just going up the temple, up the stairs. That's the view. We're about halfway up the temple.
อำเภอบัวใหญ่ติดกับอำเภอพลนะจังหวัดขอนแก่นทาง100 กว่ากิโลโยมกว่าจะเดินทางมาทำบัตรประชาชนติดต่ออำเภอจังหวัดจะต้องนั่งรถเป็นชั่วโมงนะแต่ว่าก็แยกไม่ได้เขาบอกว่าโบราณการบอกว่าจังหวัดโคราชราชสีมาเขาไม่ให้แยกนะเขาสาด
Guys, I'm not going to talk too loud here because I'm inside the temple and people are doing merit. So we're going to have a quick look inside here. It's got some beautiful artwork. Look at that. That is nice. Just do a quick zoom in there. Look at it. The whole ceiling and everything all done up in art. All the walls up there. Beautiful. You can see with the zoom in. They're still working on it here. Still adding more to it. Always having a view of this. Click the like button, subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment. I answer all comments.